Welcome to my channel Watch and Learn. So viewers, in this video we are going to discuss about biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Did you know the difference between biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste? If not, you will in a moment. First of all, we are going to discuss about biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste decomposes naturally. Animals and plants are biodegradable, as are products made from animals and plants. Biodegradable waste can be buried in the ground and not cause any long-term harm to the environment. In fact, it is beneficial to the environment because it returns nutrients to the soil. For example, biodegradable waste include fruit and vegetable peel, grass cuttings, paper, leaves, bags made from plant fibers. There are several ways in which biodegradable waste is broken down, including by bacteria, fungi, other living organisms, sunlight, heat. Next, we will discuss about non-biodegradable waste. Non-biodegradable waste doesn't decompose naturally. If buried in the ground, it can take hundreds of years or even longer to break down. Even the process of breaking down is not necessarily a good one because harmful chemicals and other materials can contaminate the soil and ruin any chance for new life to grow. For example, non-biodegradable waste include plastic bags, computers, mobile phones, metal cans, glass bottles, TV sets. And the best way to deal with non-biodegradable waste is to reuse or recycle it. If something such as a computer or mobile phone stops working, not every part of it is broken. Much of the product can be reused. So think before you throw anything away. I hope so you understood the simple concept about biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. For more latest and informative video, kindly subscribe my channel and stay connected with me.